From groceries, medicines to gadgets, everything is at your fingertips. All you need to do is to log into an app and place an order. Sometimes you can get the items within 10 minutes.
Since I'm living alone, I can at times I couldn't make my food by myself, so I can just order anything that I want, and it's just a one click away.
Welcome to India's gig economy. In such a setup, companies hire independent workers mainly for a short term. In India, delivery partners of online food delivery apps like Swiggy, Zomato, and quick commerce firms like Zepto are the most visible faces of the gig economy. According to the Niti Aayog, the country currently has 7.7 million or 77 lakh gig workers, and the number is only going to rise. A latest white paper called Shaping the Future of Work Empowering India's Gig Economy has said that the sector will create 90 million or 9 crore jobs in the long term. It is also expected to rise at a compounded annual growth rate of 17% to reach a gross volume of $455 billion by the end of 2024 and contribute 1.25% to the GDP by 2030. The trends will be particularly apparent in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. For many, gig economy provides an alternative revenue stream. For some, it is the only source of earning.
हमारा जो काम होता है डेली का डेली ऐप में शो करता है, कभी 1500 हो जाता है, कभी 1400 हो जाता है। जो काम होता है वो अमाउंट ऐप में शो करता है और पूरा पेमेंट संडे तक आता है, सोमवार तक आता है। तो पेमेंट का कोई इशू भी नहीं है, काम भी सही है।
Opportunities in the sector are aplenty, but so are the challenges. Workers generally fall between the organized and unorganized sectors. They often lack benefits like health insurance and sick leaves. Workers also battle long hours and hard to reach targets. They are also unable to find time to boost their skills, which can help them in the job market. Taking note of these issues, the union government has formed a committee to suggest framework to provide welfare benefits like disability cover and accident insurance to gig workers.
Platforms like Swiggy and Zomato are part of daily lives in India. With this, the gig economy has become a defining feature of the Indian economy. But as more and more people are expected to join the workforce, there's also a growing need for reforms, including ensuring social security and skill development for workers and regulating working hours. With camera person Kamlesh Kumar, this is Anu Kaushik reporting for the Economic Brief DD India.